Now this video is very different from what's ever been uploaded on the channel before, but it's something that's so important to discuss, not just as investors, but as human beings. Now actually, it's a mistake I made in both 2020 and 2021, and I'm a firm believer in the growth mindset and learning from your mistakes. For the last 18 months, nearly 2 years now, I've done what many others have done, not taken any vacations or holidays, stayed at home and worked my arse off, both on my actual full-time investing job, but also on my overall investment portfolio as well. Almost without realising, I've ended up pretty burnt out. But this week, and to celebrate the new year, I've taken a week of holiday and travelled abroad. As investors, we spend so much time focused on growing the capital we have invested, and so little time enjoying it or rewarding ourselves for the hard work and focus that we put in. It's cliche, but you only live once, and accumulating a large net worth without ever enjoying it isn't a great strategy or a great way to spend your life. My advice to you is don't make the same mistake I have in 2020 and 2021, and follow my example for 2022 and take a vacation. Not only for your own mental health and personal growth and development, but also for the global economy. Invest in yourself as well as helping the overall economic recovery. So at the moment I'm in Mauritius, an amazing island in the Indian Ocean which I could not recommend more highly. The country's economy relies heavily on tourism, and during most of COVID has really struggled, and most hotels have closed and most residents have been unemployed. Now, unlike many other countries where viewers of this channel are based, large proportions of the population found themselves without any gainful employment or any way to make money. And on top of that, they had no government support whatsoever, and this has lasted nearly 2 years. For many countries like Mauritius, all around the world that rely heavily on tourism, this has been a massively challenging period. So, by actually taking a vacation, you're also helping the global economy as we hopefully reach the latter stages of this pandemic. Now I appreciate that video was unlike anything on the channel before, and I hope you enjoyed it. But also, please make sure you do invest in yourself during 2022. And personally, I think one of the greatest ways to do that, have an amazing life experience and experience personal growth, is by traveling. 2022 is no doubt going to be a tough year for investors, but we have loads of exciting videos coming to the channel over the coming months about how we as investors can make the most of this opportunity. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.